Hey, what's up, guys? This is David with the Success Keeper. I created this channel not too long ago for those of you who are interested in affiliate marketing, in starting up a online business, who are interested in education and inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the ring notification bell over there, and I will be recording brand new videos every single day. Okay, and in today's video I want to talk about what new affiliate marketers must know to succeed online. There is so many people who sign up for a online business and they have false expectations. Somehow, somewhere, they saw some ad and it made them believe that they're gonna start making money the first day, they're gonna be successful within the next couple of days, and they have false expectations. um, they need to understand that success takes work. Okay, success is 90% mindset. Success is not easy. Success definitely takes work, and there is so many people, and I have the same experience. I have people signing up in our business. I am affiliated with a legendary marketer, and I notice because I check when somebody signs up, I check how much work they do. If they log into the account, if they do any work, it shows on my end also, so I can check on the people who subscribe to see if they're doing anything. And the sad thing is that they don't. A lot of people sign up, they don't even start watching the first step or the second step videos. They don't even take the first step towards success, and they wonder why they're not making any money. Nobody said that it's automatic. As soon as you sign up, you're gonna start making money. You're gonna have to learn the system. You're gonna have to put some time and effort into learning, and then whatever you learn, you teach other people how to do the same thing. You learn and then you teach other people. Okay, it's extremely important to understand that success takes time. If somebody tells you to sign up somewhere and they promise you're gonna start making money right away, I want you to run the other way, because you will be very disappointed and you're gonna waste a lot of money. Okay. uh, what is extremely important is, and there is another group of people, they sign up and they do just very little work and they see very little results. I started seeing the biggest results when I doubled my work or tripled. Okay, this is very important also, because the more work you put into it, the more time you spend on your business, the faster you're gonna start seeing the results. Okay. um, if you are looking for easy way, shortcuts, if you have these false expectations, you are setting yourself up for failure. I want you to understand right away that affiliate marketing takes work, and you're gonna have to spend quite a bit of time to reach your goals. Okay, so another thing I want to cover over here is, I want you to, if you already, I don't know if you already started the business or not, if you are affiliated with any company, but if you did, I want you to sit down and think about what is your why. Why did you start a new business? What is it that you want to accomplish? Why? Is it because of your kids? Is it because you want to give them better life? Is it because you want to travel a little more? Is it because you want to start making more money? Is it because you hate your job, or you want to move away from the place where you live right now? I want you to sit down and think about it for a second, and write it down on a piece of paper also. And how much does it mean to you? Your why. How much does it mean to you, and how much are you willing to work to change your future? Okay. Um, Another thing I wanna say over here is we already covered the false expectations, and I highly recommend that you delay and understand the instant gratification. Okay, don't be expecting results right away. Don't be expecting to start making a bunch of money right away. uh, right from the start, understand that success is gonna take some time, and I believe this is the mature way of thinking. Okay, give it some time, guys. The more work you put into it, the faster it's gonna happen. And just work your business. Create plan every single day. I highly recommend to read, watch educational videos. If you have a budget to spend on courses, on educational courses, I highly recommend buying those courses. If not, there is a lot of free videos on YouTube that will teach you a lot of different things: how to run your business, how to do email marketing, how to do YouTube advertising, how to do Facebook advertising, how to advertise on Instagram using different types of social media. So if you don't have any budget, you can watch a lot of these videos for free. Okay, about um, about advertising, there is two types of advertising. You have the free advertising and you have paid advertising. uh, Free advertising takes a lot longer to start seeing results, but I believe it's more powerful because when you create, for example, when you create following on YouTube or Instagram or Facebook, you are also creating relationships with people. You are creating trust. People will start following you, liking you, and they will eventually start buying products from you also. Okay, very important. On the other hand, if you invest money into paid advertising, you can speed up the process. The thing is that you have to understand how the paid advertising works, because I myself spent way too much money on paid advertising, um, didn't know how it really works 100%, and I ended up losing a lot of money like that. I did get some customers from it, but looking back at it, I have to say that if I studied the type of advertising that I was investing my money in, I would have way bigger, better results than I had before. So before you invest into paid advertising, I want you to really study how it works. Uh, Even look it up on YouTube, or talk to the person who is selling that advertisement and ask about details. Write uh, all your questions on a piece of paper and call them up and ask them, what to expect, how it works, and all the details before you start investing money. But if you are on a budget, if you don't have that much money, I highly recommend using social media. I am using a YouTube right now, and I highly recommend focusing on just one type of advertising, because when you focus on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, you're gonna spread yourself too thin, and you are not gonna put enough effort into any of them. Okay, like some people say, jack of all trades, master of none. I want you to become a master of just one strategy. Become really good at it. Focus on just one strategy, and uh, become really good at it. And you're gonna start seeing results a lot faster than if you had two or three or four different strategies running and none of them works properly. Okay. Um, this is pretty much what I wanted to cover today. So if you are new in affiliate marketing, um, replay this video. Um, Below this video, I also posted a link with my #1 recommendation, how to make money online. And go ahead and check it out. If you have any questions or comments on this video, please don't hesitate to comment below this video. Hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. This is David with the Success Keeper, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Take care for now, and good luck.